In video 5, we combined ga and na, helping verbs to get gana and gaina. Likewise, we can also have garana and garaghina. Let's see what we can use them to say. We use garana plus a participle to say would have been, and garaghina plus a participle to say wouldn't have been. Let's see some examples. Gaara na-agba egwu would have been dancing. Garaghị na-agba egwu wouldn't have been dancing. Gaara na-agba egwu, garaghị na-agba egwu. Gaara na-aga ije would have been walking. Garaghị na-aga ije wouldn't have been walking. Gaara na-aga ije, garaghị na-aga ije. Gaara na-enwe ndidi would have been having patience. Garaghị na-enwe ndidi wouldn't have been having patience. Gaara na-enwe ndidi, garaghị na-enwe ndidi. Gaara na-eme nzuzu would have been acting a fool. Garaghị na-eme nzuzu wouldn't have been acting a fool. Gaara na-eme nzuzu, garaghị na-eme nzuzu. Gaara na-eri nri would have been eating food. Garaghị na-eri nri wouldn't have been eating food. Gaara na-eri nri, garaghị na-eri nri. Gaara na-achị ọchị would have been laughing. Garaghị na-achị ọchị wouldn't have been laughing. Gaara na-achị ọchị, garaghị na-achị ọchị. Gaara na-ebido ọrụ would have been starting work. Garaghị na-ebido ọrụ wouldn't have been starting work. Gaara na-ebido ọrụ, garaghị na-ebido ọrụ. Gaara na-achọ okwu would have been looking for trouble. Garaghị na-achọ okwu wouldn't have been looking for trouble. Gaara na-achọ okwu, garaghị na-achọ okwu. Gaara na-ekwu okwu would have been talking. Garaghị na-ekwu okwu wouldn't have been talking. Gaara na-ekwu okwu, garaghị na-ekwu okwu. Gaara na-akụ aka would have been clapping, would have been knocking. Garaghị na-akụ aka wouldn't have been clapping, wouldn't have been knocking. Gaara na-akụ aka, garaghị na-akụ aka.